Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Today we have a 2021 Corvette Stingray 2LT in Arctic White with adrenaline red interior. We'll start at the rear of the car. I have the rear hood open. As you can see, the trunk lid is nice and clean here. Again, it has the glass because it is a coupe, so you can see the engine bay. And here's the engine bay here. Has the bright red engine cover, and it's got the red valve covers. This is a 6.2 liter V8 making 495 horsepower. Very beautiful motor. Here's your trunk bay. I've elected to leave the roof on so you can see how much cargo space you have back here. You also have a cargo net, so you can fit quite a bit of stuff back here, including a golf bag. Let's close that. Show you the rear here. As you can see, it's got carbon flash all the way around. There's our camera mirror. Here's your view of the engine bay from the outside of the car. Carbon flash against the white. Carbon flash badge package. The white on this car looks beautiful. It's got the high wing and carbon flash. You can see the sparkle in that there. The high wing kind of gives it an exotic look to the car with the carbon flash diffuser down there. It has NPP exhaust, so that gives it another 5 horsepower, and you can change your exhaust note tone from quieter to loud. Okay, coming to the rear wheel, we have the 5 open spoke rim in carbon flash with the machine outer lip. It has a bright red brake calipers, and it's got the Stingray R logo in the center. We have Michelin tires all the way around, 305/30 ZR20s in the rear. And coming to the front, we have the same red brake calipers and 245/35 ZR19s in the front. All right, coming to the driver's door side. I have the windows up so you can see that it has a window tint to it. It's got the black and the adrenaline red interior, so the red stitching all along the door panel here. It has the Bose Performance Series sound system, and we have the memory seats for the passenger and driver. Here's your power windows, power door locks, and your electronic door release. Scanning through the dash here, you can see it's got the red stitching on the dash as well. A nice little red highlight there, nice and clean. Here's your door jamb, very clean. Skid plate looks great. And again, nice and clean throughout. Okay, let's open the glove box so you can see you can have the owner's manuals in here, and there's a funnel. We have the upgraded floor mat, so it's the rubber Jake's Golf Corvette floor mats that are designed for this car. We have 8-way power seats, so you got power bolster and power lumbar. This car has the GT1 seats in adrenaline red. Condition of the seat here, I'll scan. As you can see, they look like brand new. And the Corvette and Boss logo there. It also has red seat belts to match the seats. Looks really nice. Oh, I also want to show you the view of the engine bay. As you can see, it's got the bright red engine cover there. That's behind the seats. You got a speaker grill here, and then you have the wireless charging for your phones there. Okay, let's close the door. Give you a view of that profile of the high wing. And here's the white and extra carbon flash on this car. So on the B pillar here, the removable roof, and the A pillar with the windshield. So it gives it a nice dark look, and it's got the dark window tint as well. We have a carbon flash vent here, carbon flash side mirrors, and we have the hashtags with the carbon, kind of a carbon fiber look to it, but not really, with the red in it. And it is the Stingray, so it is authentic Corvette. We got the high intensity headlights. They're darkened, and just feeling down here, I don't feel any rash here, and no rash there. Okay, I got the front trunk open. As you can see, it's nice and clean back here. You can see how much depth is in here. We have the front plate if you want to put that back on. That will come with the car. We have a 12-volt socket here, so you can put your trickle charger in there and charge your vehicle. Okay, we also have the Corvette racing stripe with a Jake skull. It says Corvette Racing on it. And you got the nice Corvette logo here. And on the driver's side, we also have those hash marks. Kind of gives it a nice highlight with the red and the gray there. Here's your driver's side front wheel, nice and clean. No curb rash on any of these wheels. Very nice. And here's your driver's door panel. So same idea, the Bose sound system here. We got the memory seats for the driver. We have the power mirrors, and we also have power folding mirrors. I'll show you that here. So you just press the button and it'll fold for you. It also has blind spot monitoring. If you can see that little logo there, that will light up if there's something in your blind spot. Here's power windows. We have power door locks, electronic door release here, and then we have your front and rear trunk. Scanning through the door jambs, you can see it's nice and clean here. Skid plate looks like new. Nice and clean throughout here. Okay, here's your dash. So again, the red stitching and the red highlights. We have heads up display there. Very nice. Okay, coming down to your pedals, nice and clean. There's your Corvette floor mats, rubber floor mats, 8-way power seats again, power bolster, power lumbar. And here's your driver GT1 seat in adrenaline red. And there again, the red seat belts there. Very nice. Okay, let's climb in the car. You got your heads up display controls right here. We have your dash dimming light there and your electronic parking brake. We have power tilt and telescopic wheel, as you can see here. Over here we have your headlight controls on the switch there. We have paddle shifters, so it's an 8-speed automatic dual clutch transmission, so you can shift it manually with those paddles if you'd like. Here's your Z button, so that takes you to your performance dash. We have cruise control over here, stereo settings over here, and over here for volume. And you have a heated steering wheel, voice command, and your telephone. And then here's your arrow keys for your digital dash. Here's your upshifter for your paddle. And then we have windshield wipers over here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start the car. So push button start. It's a little darker in here because I got the roof on. I decided to keep it on for this video because I think the carbon flash is a nice look to it. Okay, digital dash. Mileage on this car is 8,196 kilometers. So just over 8,000 on this car. If I take it to the Z mode, it changes the exhaust mode. And up here we have the universal garage door opener there. Here's your power mirror. So there's your rear view camera mirror, so you can have that on or off. It's your choice. And then down here we have the 8-inch touchscreen. Take you home here. So we have audio, phone, and we got navigation. As you can see there, go back out here. We have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, performance data recorder. You got climate control here, front camera, so you can see the front of your car here, and Spotify over here. Okay, down here we have your automatic transmission, so it's all push button. If you want to put it in manual, just hit the M button there and it'll take you to manual. Over here we have traction control and we have front camera. I'll show you the front camera again, and I'll put it in reverse. There's your reverse camera there. Over here is your mode selector, so I'll show you the dash here. So when I turn that, you see the bottom under the P there, it changed to sport, track, so it changes it to different modes. Different driving modes there. Over here we have the cup holders, so front and rear cup holders. We also have your dual zone climate control, so it's heated and ventilated seats, and your climate control, and nice red dash over here with the console in black. And you can see here how deep it is with my hand. And we have your USB and auxiliary, and there's your wireless charger. Okay, let's pop open the door. Car is running. Give it a couple revs for you guys. hop out here, show you what the headlights look on this car. It's a good looking car. I like all the carbon flash with this white. It just pops. We had this car parked out front and it attracted a lot of attention. There's your dark window tint. And let's come to the rear here. There's your LED taillights. Here's your exhaust rumble. Sounds great. Alright, so this is a 2021 Corvette Stingray Coupe 2LT, presented in Arctic White with carbon flash high wing and carbon flash wheels. This is here and available at munromotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.